Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to wire and install two-way main switch. The result was supposed to be like this, however it was another matter. These are the feed, the live conductor and the neutral conductor and the earth. So we have the red cable for the live conductor and the black for the neutral conductor. So you peel off the insulator to a convenient distance, say 1 centimeter. That one is enough. You connect it to the terminals, the neutral terminal and the live terminal. And there is the earth. Connect to the earth bus bar. These are the socket cables. You just connect them to the terminals. So this is the earth. You connect to the earth terminal, the live to the. At normal circumstances, a breaker size for a socket outlet is 10 amps. But then for this main switch, it was manufactured with 16 amps and 6 amps. So what we have to do is we give the 16 amps to the socket outlet and the 6 amps to the lightning system. Look, you have to be very careful here when terminating the socket, because if there is a missing polarity, it will cause short circuit. You can do a visual inspection after the termination, or you can use the electronic socket tester for testing your polarity if there is no mistake. Always know that the metal terminal of a lamp holder is for earth, and any of the two can be terminated with either neutral or live cable.